Matilda needs a new pair of shoes, and I found the perfect style and the right size at a great price. They're manufactured from recycled materials in the heartland of the USA. Hi, I'm Ricky from RV Underway. If you're enjoying the RV lifestyle and love learning more about it, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel, ring the bell to get notified when new content is available, leave us a comment, share our videos, and if you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. You can become a member of the RVU crew by clicking on the Join button right over there, and also grab your RV Underway merch by clicking the Store button on our YouTube channel homepage. Now here's the product I'm talking about. It's the RV SnapPad. This truly American journey started back in 2015 when the Wilson family created the first version of the RV SnapPad in their Mishawaka, Indiana garage. Since then, they've become the leading permanent jack pad solution among RVers. So why did we choose the RV SnapPad? The reasons are numerous. Let's start with Origin, the family-owned company behind RV SnapPads. They're dedicated to creating truly innovative and unique RV accessories while providing unsurpassed customer service. If there is any problem with your SnapPad, you can rest assured they'll make it right. Next is the 2-year limited manufacturer's warranty on both performance and defects. If your SnapPad should fail during that period, they'll replace them free, no hassles. Another reason for choosing the RV SnapPads, they are proudly made in South Carolina, Michigan, and California from recycled tire rubber. That keeps old tires from cluttering up the landfills and damaging the environment. Next, depending on the model, SnapPads have been tested to withstand well over 2,000 pounds per pad. They've also been lab tested in extreme temperatures. So regardless of the environment, RV SnapPads are engineered to stay on your RV. Another reason? The weight and thickness of the pads will not affect our RV leveling system or hydraulics. They add about 1 inch of thickness to your landing feet and also expand your footprint anywhere from 40 to 300% depending on the leveling system and the RV SnapPad model. That means more stability and less sinking on almost any terrain. Plus, no more unsightly scrapes or rust stains on concrete or your driveway. The next reason for choosing the RV SnapPads? They are manufactured with a bolt access hole through the center, allowing access to the bolt that holds the jack foot onto the ram. This design lets you tighten or remove your jack foot without removing the SnapPad. With SnapPads installed, your rig will have less slipping, sliding, rocking, or shaking, which leads to safer and more enjoyable RVing. And because the construction material is rubber, they may help insulate your RV from an indirect lightning strike. And if those aren't enough reasons, RV SnapPads install in minutes and stay on forever. Now, in order to install your RV SnapPads, the first thing you'll need is some detergent. You're going to run a bead of detergent around the lip on the SnapPad, and then you'll need some help. So I'm going to get Miss Barbara to help me out. She's going to lower the jack while I line it up. So let's get this detergent on there, and we'll get the SnapPad installed.
Okay, down. Stop. Okay, down. Stop. Okay, up. Okay, stop. Okay, down. Stop.
That was pretty simple, wasn't it? Join the thousands of RVers who have made leveling their RV faster, easier, and more convenient with the RV SnapPad. For fast shipping and top-tier service, visit RVsnappad.com or just use the link in the comments below. If you enjoy the RV lifestyle and love learning more about it, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, ring that bell to get notified when new content is available, leave us a comment, share our videos, and if you like this video about the RV SnapPad, be sure and give us a thumbs up. You can become a member of the RVU crew by clicking the join button below and grab your RV Underway merch by clicking the store button on our YouTube channel homepage. And until next time, fair winds and following seas.